Sharp, air of confidence. Do you feel hot these days? Cool down fast. Sharp Plasmacluster technology releases negative and positive ions and provides clean air just like nature. Would you like to save more energy? The J-Tech Inverter keeps the temperature stable the whole day. Normal mode uses a regular amount of energy, while Eco mode saves up to 40% of this energy. Eco mode provides the same cool temperature while using less energy. Sharp, air of confidence for cool, clean air and greater energy savings.